Today we will reflect on family. Whether our family is dysfunctional or not, happy and sad, broken, it doesn't matter. We're going to sit back and reflect on family. How does it serve us? What is the beauty in our family, despite ups and downs? Every family has ups and downs, positive and negative, fights. Someone may not be well. Someone may be fighting. There may be court cases, whatever it is. Family is family. What can you find within your family that you are grateful for, that makes you feel happy? Connect with that feeling deeply and be grateful for it. Reflect on your family, how it serves you, the changes that you may want to make, the action points that you may want to take up, the things that you cannot say that you may now want to find the courage to say. And be grateful for that strength to say those things. Be grateful for the strength to forgive one another, your brothers, your sisters, your parents, if they made errors, or even yourself. Reflect on family. Find opportunities to be grateful and to change.